Hi, this is IK Tutors, and we're here to show you how to order a hard copy of your book. All right, so if you click on a link that you've gotten that's posted in the announcements on Brightspace, you're going to end up going to this page. Right? Once you get to this page, you simply scroll down. We can close this until you see on the left-hand side it says individual, buy a print copy. Now, you can click on this. Right? And this is the order window. So you have two choices you see here. You can either get a black and white for $40, or you can get a color for $50. Right? And the book is University Physics Volume 1. Okay, University Physics Volume 1. That's the book you're getting. Right. Now, at this point, once you decide which one you want to get, right? If you want to get the black and white, it's already by default, it's in the box over here. You just click add to cart. If you want to get the print color, you click on that and you see that will come into the cart. So we're going to go ahead and just go through, show you how to order the print color. All right, so you're going to click add to cart. Move this out of the way. And you'll see that there's a little one or number in the card in the upper right-hand corner of the screen that comes up. You'll see that the publishing company is called Kendall Hart, right? So that's important when you see the billing information, you know Kendall Hart is the publishing company, right? And you'll see below that here, you'll see details about your order, shipping status, the ISBN on the book, right? So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and check out, okay? So we'll go ahead and click on checkout. Now, if you haven't signed in already, it's going to ask you to sign in and register when you do this. So let's go ahead and click checkout. Here we have with a color book, one quantity of one. Click on checkout. Wait a second. And, right, so it's asking us to sign in, right? We haven't signed in, so we have to create an account. If you already have an account, it'll go straight to the checkout center. If you haven't, you'll see this window pop up. So we're going to go create an account, right? And you're going to put your information, right? So your first name, you will put here, uh, last name, all of this, everywhere you see the red asterisk or red star, it's required. Okay, username, you can make up a username, whatever you prefer. Okay, email address, you're going to put your email address. Here you have to use an actual email address, so I'm going to use mine. Use my Gmail address. And then they ask you to create confirm your email. So go ahead and do that. You know, just regular registration stuff. Now the registration is free, so you don't free. The registration is free, so you don't have to worry about it. All right. Just to fill in the information so you can go ahead and order the book. Right. And we'll pick up. Right. Here we have to rewrite it. And again, if you already registered, you'll just have to sign in if you're not signed in. If you're already registered and you were signed in, it'll go directly to the checkout counter. Right. So the address, all right, we're just going to put a bogus address in here. You would put your address in here because that's where they're going to ship it. Um, this is my neighbor's address. No, I'm only kidding. It's not my neighbor's address. It's just fake address. All right. Country, United States, state. We're going to say New York. This is actually the address of the store in the corner by this um, a a store on a corner that I know of. I'm using that for the example. Okay, in New York City, we'll say Staten Island is the city. All right, zip code. All right, I'll leave the phone out. Um, these don't have the star by them, so I don't think they're required. But we do need to put a shipping address in there, address, and they'll use that as a shipping address. So we click I'm not a robot, and then we click create an account. Email address color is already taken. All right, so I'll use another email address. Yeah, something I can get to easy. Edu. All right, so then I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this over here, and that should do it. We should be able to set up this account so we can go ahead and I can walk you through the ordering part of this. Continue walking through the ordering part. Oh, we got to redo the password again. Yep. So go ahead and put the password in again. Right. And then I believe that's it. So it should go through now, but I'm not a robot. Create an account. Voila. Okay. So we're now logged in, okay, as John Doe. Right. Now we can go ahead and finish ordering. All right. So edit profile, this information. So what we're going to do now is going to go to the cart up here, click on the shopping cart. Right. And this is our order again. We're going to go again, we're going to click checkout, but now we're signed in. So it's going to take us straight to the checkout center. And registration again is free. All right, so this is the checkout center. We're going to go quickly look over our order. So we're getting one book. Over here, they tell us what the name of the book is, University Physics Volume 1. Okay, it's going to be a physical book that's shipped to us at the address we gave it, and it's going to cost us $50. That's because we got the color one. If we wanted the black and white, it would cost us 40. So we scroll down here, and we check the shipping info. This is where we want to send it, right? Whatever address you have your address and information in here, right? As I said, that's where they get the information from is your account. And then we come down here, we put our phone number, right? You would type your phone number in here, right? And then you would put your the institution, United States. We're gonna go New York, the state the institution is in. And then we put the actual name of the institution here. So it says select. So we look for the College of Staten Island, right? Sometimes they let you start to type it in. Let's see if we can. CUNY. It is here. That's not it though. All right, so let's check it out. Go back up to the C's. So we have CUNY York College, John Jay, graduate, Brooklyn State. It should be here somewhere. There it goes. CUNY College Towns. You select that one. All right. And then we go continue to the next step. Okay, they want to confirm the address, right? Let me change the address. No, everything is fine. That's the one we want to put in. All right. We wait and let's see. The address is invalid. Oh, okay. So they found us out. They realized that that's a bogus address in there. All right, so let's try a different number. I didn't notice that before. I thought it was just confirming. Let me change the address. So we're gonna change the number. Maybe we'll get lucky. I thought that was the address on a corner store. Um, but normally it would go straight through. It would take you to the credit to the billing, and then that would be it. So I'm trying to show you all the screens. That's why I'm putting this information. But it's getting more and more challenging. It's hard to fool these computers these days. All right, let's see if it takes that. Okay, your shipment is different from the post office records. We suggest you accept the recommended avoid. Okay, so whatever the post office wants to call it, let me change it. Use recommended. Okay. All right. We're not actually going to order a book. I just want to get you to the through all the pages so you see how this goes. All right. So step one. Please excuse the dog. Shipping info. They're bringing us through the stuff again. Gonna change this to 19. Okay, they won't let us change it right now, so that's fine. All right, go through that. Okay, here, credit card billing info. All right, that's the phone number. Then we go here. Try it one more time. Shipping address type field is required. Oh, we missed something. So let's go shipping address, shipping info. It said we missed a field. Sorry, guys. It's late at night. Oh, here it goes. Okay. So we had to put either business or residential. So we're going to put residential. Shipping address type is there. It has a star in it, so that means it's required. All right. So now we should be able to get to the billing page finally. Let's see what happens. Okay. So I think we're here. Shipping method. Scroll down here. Now this is where you got to be careful. Okay. I guess the billing page is going to be next, because if you notice, look at the prices on these deliveries. Right. FedEx Ground is $25, right? This is actually half the price of the book, right? Uh, this one standard overnight is $241. So you want to pick the cheapest one, okay? This one over here, medium mall, that is $9. Okay, so that's doable. So we're gonna click this one, medium meal. Right, so we click this one and still trying to get to the credit card page. We continue the next step. We got the shipping taken care of. All right. Let's see if we're there. Review and order, payment. Okay, so our order's all set up. Now it's the payment information. So here you would put your credit card information. This is the last page, right? So you would put what kind of Visa, MasterCard, Discover. You put the name of the card number, the month, the date, the year, the CVV number. All right. I'm not going to put all that stuff in because this is the last page. And then you would go proceed with purchase. Once you purchase it, it's going to show you after it goes through. It'll tell you your shipment, your purchase is complete. Your shipment will be sent to you, and it's in a certain number of days, right? And you'll either be it'll ask you if you want to email the receipt to you, or it'll tell you you're going to get email receipt, and you can also do this. This is what I always do when I order stuff online. Right? I request the email receipt, but I also, if you go in the upper right hand corner, right, and click those three dots, you're going to get a drop down window. I'm not sure if you guys have seen this or not. right? You're going to get a drop down window, and I just go to print, and I can print the screen that says that my order is complete, right? It'll pop up, and then it gives you an option to save as a PDF, and you click save, and then you tell it what file to save. So you save it before the screen, before you leave the screen, and then you'll also get a receipt that's emailed to you. So it's like covering your bases, right? And that's it, guys. So I hope this helped. All right. Remember to just be very careful when you're doing the actual delivery types because they can get pretty expensive, as you saw. And make sure you fill in all the information with the start, and that'll be it. All right, guys. So take a sorry. Have a great night, guys. All right. Enjoy the course. It's a really good course, basic course. You can get a lot out of it. So if you want to order a hard copy, you can do it this way. And I will see you if you're in a 116 class. I will see you during the sessions. If you're in a 120, you'll be working with Dr. Schreiber, right? Professor Schreiber will be working with you, right? Either way, have a great course and good luck. All right. So take care. Thank you very much.